So, about information you just saw,
What about them?
all that, a program holds them.
Holds?
Yeah, and it's done using variables.
Variables? What are they?
They're like boxes in a computer's memory.
which holds information in the form of alphabets and numbers.
Computer has memory?
Of course, it's the place where it stores all the information.
Like our brain?
Kind of.
Okay, but how do we know which box in the memory contains what information?
That's simple. We'll give the boxes a name.
Yup, just like your parents gave you one.
Because calling you lame nerd wouldn't be appropriate.
This is what we saw earlier, right?
Yeah?
Let's add your name too.
So to store this information about you in a program,
We create variables.
Which are nothing but boxes.
Let's give each one of them a name.
Sure.
no, give names that make sense.
Like Theo is your name, so its variable name should be
Name!
exactly.
Similarly, others would be species, planet, and galaxy.